I'm Susan. Today is the first of the year, and I am participating in Junk Journal January hosted by Meg's Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And this is going to be a prompt based daily challenge, and I hope I get to do them all. And I just made a little simple journal with some scrapbook paper and bubble wrapping, packaging envelope, and just did a little simple thing. And I'm going to keep it simple. And I'll tell you the first one is resolutions. So I'm going to do that, and I'm trying to keep these short because there's going to be so many people to watch. So I'm going to just go ahead and start. I think daily I'll just tell you what the prompt is, and then I'll just speed through and let you watch me do it with some music. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. hope you enjoyed this one. I have lots of resolutions. I've got life is full of blessings, be fearless, focus on the good, create, trust your crazy ideas, keep moving forward, cherish, be brave, dreams, hope, courage, and be authentic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Please be sure and check out Meg's Journals and Get Messy Art. And check out the hashtag Junk Journal January. And I believe you can also do hashtag Junk Journal January 2024. So until tomorrow, bye y'all.